Hello and thank you for choosing Line Specs. Today we'll be showing you how to replace hard drives in our DVRs. So we have 5 screw holes, one here, one on the back right in the center, right back there, and then 2 more on the other side. I already removed this just to shorten the video. And the last 2 are right there and there. So after you get those removed, you want to slide the case off like this right here. Slide it back and then lift up and off. Here you'll see our 2 hard drives. One is already disconnected, the other one is still connected. Please make sure that you disconnect them before unscrewing any of the hard drives. Just pull out and pull out. There you go. The other one is already disconnected as I've shown. Next, you're going to remove these screws to get to these hard drives. So, it's a very quick process, just unscrew it. Next, you're going to slide the hard drive caddy back, just like that. Pull it back and lift up. And there you go. So to remove the hard drive screws, you're going to want to unscrew right there. There's one on the other side right there. One right there. I already have that one in, so that way it's just one that I have to undo, and then there would be the last one. So get your screwdriver and unscrew it. And then it's just as simple as lifting the hard drive up and out. So now you want to grab your new hard drive. Mine's off camera. So grab your new hard drive, open it up out of its packaging, slide it on out. And then it's as easy as just sliding it on top and in. And then you're going to re-screw in your 4 screws right there, there, and there. And then you're going to put it back down and slide forward. Lay it just down, nice and gentle, and then this one I got it a little stuck. But once you find the correct lining, you just slide it forward, and it locks it into place. Then you're going to re-screw your 2 screws in right there and there. Make sure to replug in your power and data cables. It doesn't matter which one goes to which. You should hear a little latch when it clicks in. And then replug in your power cables. Again, it doesn't matter which one goes to which, just as long as they're both plugged in. what you want to do is grab your case cover, put it on just like so. Make sure you don't get that middle tab stuck underneath. It likes to do that. Then slide it forward. And then rescrew in your 5 screws to your DVR. 1, 2. Don't forget this one on the back right there. And then your other 2 on the other side. Right there, and right there. Right there. And there you go. You are all done. And in this next part, I'm going to be showing you how to enable the hard drives. So what you want to do is right click, go to System, then Menu. From Menu, you're going to go to Disk, and then Disk Manager. Here we have 6 terabyte hard drives, 4 of them, and 1 RAID, but you're just going to have 2 4 terabytes. So what you want to do is click on the first one, and then click Enabled, and then Format. I'm not going to format because we have data. Then you want to click Enable again, and Format. And that's it. You're done.